The time to integrate AI literacy into the core is now. We're in a paradigm shift in education, and it's important to prepare our students for the fourth industrial revolution. ISTE has created AI exploration activity guides that provide materials and information that can be followed directly or may be remixed to prepare with curriculum already in use by the classroom teacher. These activities make it easy for teachers to begin incorporating engaging lessons on AI together with materials that teachers feel familiar with, allowing them to meet state standards and learning targets. In my 10th literature class at Dawson County High School, I integrate lessons from the ISTE AI Explorations Guides for AI and Ethics with my novel unit on Ender's Game. The suggested resources listed in the guides pair well with English content and provide ample opportunities for educators to have robust discussions on the importance of ethical behavior in a fictional setting like in Ender's Game and in real life. AI literacy is intertwined throughout the semester with reading informational texts that aid students in building background knowledge of how AI works. Students are introduced to foundational AI terms and are actively involved in projects that allow them to see how AI works in both an unplugged and plugged setting.